and there is every intention to complete the process before the end of the year. Another important feature of this process is the Public Representations Committee that started working in January this year. Initially there was opposition to that also, saying who appointed this committee, there was no parliamentary approval for it, how can you consult the public without a draft constitution and so on. But once that committee went to the different districts and consulted the people, it was found that there was a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of excitement among the people with regard to the new constitution. And as a result of that, even those who were initially opposed to this committee's functioning now don't attack it. You might have noticed. They are even willing to accept the report of that committee into the Constitutional Assembly process, not merely give it to the Prime Minister who appointed the committee. And the Constitutional Assembly process is now being dictated to by the report of this Public Representation Committee. And their report says that although initially as they started the process, there were few people who said we don't need a new constitution, certain amendments are sufficient. As time went on, even those who said that in the first instance came back and said we do need a new constitution. And their report says there is near consensus in the country that there must be a new constitution. So these are very positive features. And the process being so open and transparent, it also aids the process. Coming to the crucial point that I want to make, having talked about majoritarianism, having talked about the fact that the first and the second Republican constitutions laid a foundation that was not equal, that did not treat all citizens equally. We have now come to a point of making a new constitution which we think can set the record straight, can correct the mistakes of the past, and set this country in a new direction for the future. And in this process, everyone is involved. The Tamil community that was left out of the first two processes is very much involved in this process. So, provisions like equality are crucial to this constitution.